summer of 2017, I did an internship with Farm Credit East, and I loved my internship at Farm Credit, and they ended up loving me, so they offered me a position at the end of my internship. So when I came back to school for my senior year, I already had a job lined up.
I learned a lot and looking to probably stay in the business. It was a really good learning experience.
And it was a wonderful experience. I learned so much and I got to be around the top in the industry.
And this summer I interned at Fordham University for my second summer. And it was a great experience. I got to learn more about ticketing, more about marketing.
I interned this summer at Champions Events running baseball tournaments. What we did, we put on youth tournaments for kids between the ages of 11 to 17. And I was able to learn how to properly network with people and further their business throughout the summer.
Over the past summer, I did a really cool internship. I traveled to Denmark and I worked under Rasmus Christensen with RC Horses.
It was an amazing experience to work at Mountain Creek. My site supervisor, Charlotte Robinson, was absolutely phenomenal. She guided me along the whole process and gave me unfounded amounts of support.